In the heart of East Africa, where innovation meets culture, a city emerges as a beacon of progress and unity. Welcome to Nairobi, a vibrant metropolis that recently witnessed an event of epic proportions. Critical Mass Nairobi.
Critical Mass. Critical Mass leo. Nimejibamba ni first time. Yeah.
My name is Edwin from Gravel Riders Club.
Price? Like, I don't know, close to 100k.
100k?
Yeah.
Oh.
This bike is already old, my friend.
How old is it?
This bike will be like 8 years old.
8 years. It still looks new.
No, it doesn't. It looks new, but it's not new.
It all started at Safari Park, where the anticipation of a unique encounter hung in the air. Little did we know, fate had something special in store for us that day. It all started at deciding to seize the moment. We set off together towards Garden City. The sun was shining, the sky painted in hues of blue, and the promise of an extraordinary day lay ahead. The traffic was surprisingly smooth, and the roads were clear, allowing us to fully enjoy the company and the journey. Every moment felt like it was meant to be, as if the universe conspired to bring us together. Finally, we reached the entry gate of our meeting point. The atmosphere was filled with a sense of accomplishment and enthusiasm. It was a moment to pause, take it all in, and revel in the joy of reaching our starting point. As we gathered, there was a buzz of excitement in the air. Cyclists exchanged stories about the ride so far, speculating on what the mass ride ahead might be like. It was a moment of shared camaraderie and a celebration of our collective love for cycling. As the excitement builds, our little cyclists take their place at the front of the peloton. It's a heartening sight to see the young ones leading the way, their smiles infectious and their enthusiasm setting the tone for the ride. And so, our colorful peloton meanders through the central business district, bringing smiles to onlookers and a sense of unity to the participants. The rhythm of pedals and the laughter of children blend harmoniously with the city's vibrant energy. To ensure a family-friendly experience, we've decided to keep the speed at a minimum. It's not about racing, it's about savoring the journey together. Young girls, moms, dads, and comrades join in, creating a diverse and joyful community on wheels. As we pedal through the heart of the city, I can't help but notice the shared moments of joy. Families cycling side by side, friends chatting, and the laughter of children echoing through the streets. It's a celebration of community and togetherness. From this vantage point, witness the unique juxtaposition of urban life against the untamed wilderness. Nairobi National Park, where the city seamlessly converges with nature, offering a one-of-a-kind experience. Amidst the hustle and bustle of Nairobi, find solace in the serene landscapes of the national park. A haven of peace, where wildlife roams freely against a backdrop of lush greenery. Beyond the beams, what makes the Nairobi City Expressway truly remarkable is its ability to seamlessly connect different corners of the city. It's not just a road, it's a lifeline that enhances connectivity and fosters urban growth. The Nairobi City Expressway is not just a road, it's an engine of progress. The constant flow of traffic symbolizes the city's heartbeat, pulsating with energy and vitality. Venture into the heart of Nairobi, and you'll find the skyscrapers standing as pillars of commerce. These towering structures house bustling offices, financial institutions, and dynamic business hubs that drive the city's economic engine. Nairobi skyscrapers are a symphony of glass and steel, a harmonious blend of modernity and innovation. The intricate designs and reflective surfaces not only catch the sunlight but also mirror the city's dynamic spirit. As the city sleeps in, Nairobi's CBD transforms into a tranquil haven on Sundays. The streets, usually bustling with activity, are now peacefully quiet, providing a rare opportunity to explore the heart of the city in a whole new light. As our family-friendly mass ride concludes, it's clear that the beauty of cycling goes beyond the physical exercise. It's about creating memories, fostering connections, and experiencing the city in a unique way. Until the next ride, keep the wheels turning, and remember, every pedal is a step towards a healthier and happier community.